Hello everyone, hey, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Shatara. So today I decided to bring you guys a hair video. So I got this hair off of Amazon. I will link all the information about this hair in the description box down below. This hair is 26 inches. On me it doesn't look like 26 inches because, you know, I'm 5'9.5". It has a 4x4 closure. I read a lot of reviews or comments and stuff saying a 4x4 closure is a good way to start for beginners. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, just continue watching and I'll catch you guys all into the video. So this is the package that the hair came in. Inside of the package there were some wig caps, 2 hair bows or hair ties, whatever you want to call them, and a headband. And this is what the hair looks like straight outside of the package. The wig comes with 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back, along with 2 adjustable straps. And this is what the hairline looks like. If you look closely, you can see the black knots. I will be bleaching that, but I will put it on my head so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm going to bleach it. So the items that you'll need is some bleach, some developer. I wouldn't go higher than 40. A container to mix the bleach and developer in, some gloves if you want it, and a spray bottle and a brush. So I'm going to start by mixing the bleach and the developer together. For this, I did not measure the bleach or the developer. I just eyed it, but I could tell if it was good enough based on if it stuck to the popsicle stick or not. And if it was runny, I would have added more bleach. And if it was thicker, I would have had added more developer. So I went ahead and brushed out the wig and sprayed the hairline and brushed it back so none of the baby hairs would get in the way. So then I took the bleach and applied thin layers to the closure until it was fully covered. And then I waited about 30 minutes. Honestly, I should have waited less time. Next time I'm going to wait 26 minutes to see what it looks like. But I made sure that the knots were covered. So after the 30 minutes, this is what it looks like. So I rinsed it out. If you guys look closely, you can see the copper color. So I took some purple shampoo and washed out some of the copper color. It's like, you know, chemistry. And then while that was sitting on the closure, I went ahead and washed the rest of the hair. It took about 5 minutes and then I rinsed it out. And if you look closely, it doesn't have as much copper color as it was before. So I took it over to my wig head and I started customizing the closure. If you guys do look closely, I did put a white paper towel underneath it because I watch a lot of videos and it makes it easier for me to see what I'm doing and make sure I'm not over plucking. So I am new to plucking my hairlines. So for me, I've learned that I have to do them both simultaneously because if I don't, it'll come out looking jacked and I don't have time. So I do it one pass of tweezing between both sides and then I start it over again. I do that about 3 rows back and repeat it 3 times. And this is what the hairline looks like after I finished plucking it. And this is how much hair came out. So next, I went ahead and added some products to the hair and then blow dried it out. And then I also took my hot comb to flatten out the top part of the hair so it'll be easier for me to apply it in the morning. And this is what the hair looks like after I finished. Hey everybody. Hey! So today's the next day and I'm about to put this baby on my head if I can find my wig cap. I just had it. Oh, it's right here. Okay. So now that I have it on, all up in the flicking way. Oh, just know how people do this. Alright, so I'm going to take some alcohol and just clean around the perimeter of the hairline. Alrighty, so now I'm going to take some spray. I'm really hoping I don't spray my face. And just spray right here. This smells good. I've never used a spray before, so we will see how it works. Take my blow dryer, just dry it on cool. I'm gonna do another layer. Alrighty, now that that's tacky, I'm going to take it, lace it. Probably should have tinted the lace. Dang! I'm doing it all backwards, but you know I'm gonna learn one of these days. I'm going to take some foundation, just a little bit of this foundation. I'm just gonna put it in here, just around the edges. I'm gonna take my blow dryer and dry it. The layer dried. Add one more. So now it looks like this. Spray more. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna take this band and tie it around. Okay, I'm gonna blow it. Alrighty, now that I look ridiculous, I'm gonna take this off. Ooh, dang, that's in there. That's flicking in there. Alrighty, I'm going to cut away the lace now. Please, please, yes. Moment of truth is these baby hairs. All right, let me just put these down to see what it's giving before I commit to it. Ooh, is that too thick? That's giving too thicky. Okay, so I'm going to pluck this. I'm going to take my razor comb. I saw this thing online where they curl the edges. So hopefully, I need all the assistance I can get. So hopefully they do curl it upwards. Please, Lord God, don't let me burn myself. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my God. Okay. Did I do it? Okay. Oh. Lord. Lord. Okay. Oh God, I didn't like that. I didn't like that at all. Okay. They're giving me light and airy, and I'm liking it. Okay. I'm gonna take my spoolie and spray. I don't know how I'm feeling about this side. I like baby hairs, I do, but like, I don't know, maybe I need to cut them smaller. Let's see. All right, I think that's what's gonna be taking place because, pluck it. All right.
Why that smells like this?
Yeah, they're green. I'm back. All right, so I'm going to straighten this. Please let these edges be good. Oh, they're not terrible. Okay, I do have to straighten this part. Take my hot comb. All right, so I think I'm going to add some foundation. Okay, feel like I messed up, but we're about to see. Not bad. Alrighty, and that's it for the video. So this hair is actually pretty good. The con, I will tell you that it's not, okay, I do have a big head, but like I feel like it's kind of tight a little bit. So just be cautious if you guys do have a big head that it may run a little small. The other thing that I can also say is that the hair does shed, but it's not like over excessive amounts, like coming out in clumps or anything. But other than that, the wig is pretty good. It's been like couple of weeks since I've been wearing this wig. So far it's holding up pretty good. This is gonna be the one that's gonna go into the arsenal. I would consider getting this hair again. Okay, but that is all that I have to say about this hair. Other than that, it's pretty good. I like it. I wear it to work. So that is it for today's video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I will leave my Instagram here on the screen and down in the description bar down below. And I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye!